Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa for burritos. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion, a generous bunch of fresh cilantro, and 1 or 2 jalapenos for a nice kick. Don't forget a couple of garlic cloves, the juice of 1 lime, and a pinch of salt to taste. Make sure everything is washed and ready to go for the best flavor. Now, let's get to the chopping. Finely dice your tomatoes, aiming for small, consistent pieces. Do the same for the onion and jalapenos, removing seeds from the jalapenos if you prefer less heat. Mince your garlic very finely and chop the fresh cilantro. Once everything is prepped, combine all these vibrant ingredients in a medium-sized mixing bowl, ready for the next step. With all your ingredients combined, it's time to bring out those amazing flavors. Squeeze in the fresh juice from 1 lime. This adds a bright, zesty note. Then, add about a ½ teaspoon of salt, or adjust to your preference. Gently stir everything together, ensuring the lime juice and salt are evenly distributed. Cover the bowl and let your salsa chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows the flavors to meld beautifully. After chilling, give your salsa a final taste and adjust any seasonings if necessary. Maybe a little more salt or a dash more lime juice. Now, your delicious homemade salsa is ready to be served. It's perfect for topping your burritos, adding a fresh, vibrant kick to every bite. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below. Enjoy your amazing fresh salsa.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.